Hey guys, this is Rohi and welcome back to my channel Mrs. Home for a complete home. And today's recipe is Hyderabadi famous Mutton Dum Biryani. And friends, I have shared this recipe with a simple and very easy steps. And please do not skip the video and watch till end to get delicious Dum Biryani. Let's quickly get into the recipe. First we'll marinate the mutton. Here I have taken 1 kg of mutton. Add salt as per your taste. Add 1 tsp turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, you can add as per your taste, 1 tablespoon cumin powder, half tablespoon garam masala and 1 tablespoon biryani masala, 1 tablespoon pepper powder and 6 to 7 crushed green chili paste, 4 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 cup curd, add some fried onions, add 4 tablespoons of oil, and this is the leftover oil when I fried these onions, and this gives very good aroma to our biryani. Now squeeze 1 lemon juice. You can also use 2 to 3 tablespoons of raw papaya paste. It tenderizes the mutton. Now close the lid and refrigerate at least for 3 to 4 hours or overnight. Now slice these onions into very thin and fry these in hot oil. Now fry these onions until they turn golden brown in color. Now switch off the flame and take it out from the hot oil into tissue paper. And for this recipe, here I have taken 1 kg basmati rice. Here I have used Dawat basmati rice. Wash this for 2 times and soak this in water for half an hour. Here I have taken 10 glass of water in a big vessel. To this add 1 tablespoon of shazira, 7 to 8 cinnamon sticks and 7 to 8 cloves, 5 to 6 cardamom, some bay leaves, add 2 tablespoons of oil, and here I have used leftover fried onions oil and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Now add salt as per your taste. Here I have added 6 tablespoons of salt. Add few pudina and coriander leaves. Now let this water bring to boil. To this add washed and soaked basmati rice. Mix once and cook this basmati rice until it is 80% done. Now we'll check the rice. You can see here this rice is done. Now switch off the flame and drain the remaining water. You can see here the water is completely drained and the rice is also perfect. Take a big size vessel. Here I have taken non-stick kachay. To this add marinated mutton and now spread evenly. Now top this with rice. Add some fried cashews and some fried onions, coriander leaves and some pudina leaves and some saffron soaked milk and also add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Now repeat the same process. Again I am giving a second layer of rice. Top this with some fried onions, with some fried cashews, coriander leaves, pudina leaves and add 2 tablespoons of ghee and add saffron soaked milk on top of it. Now close this vessel with a wet cotton cloth or any towel. Now close the lid and cover this with a wet cloth. Now place tawa on the stove. Now on top of it place the biryani vessel. Now cook this in a high flame for 15 minutes and in medium flame for 35 minutes and in lower flame for 10 to 15 minutes. As we are using raw mutton, so this will take time to cook. And let's check how it is. And it's completely done. And the rice is also perfectly cooked. Now let's serve this biryani. And this gives a very good aroma and also this tastes awesome. Try this recipe once and I'm sure you and your family love this recipe. Follow the same steps and same procedure to get delicious yummy dum biryani. And I'll show you how this mutton is perfectly cooked. And this is perfect. Give this recipe a good try and do post your comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Give this recipe a good try and if you like this recipe, please give a thumbs up. And friends, if you are new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Please do subscribe and do press the bell icon to get notifications of my new videos. And thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Until then, have a great day. Bye bye.